How to change frame size in the Filmora app. If you have been using the Filmora to edit your photos or videos and now wondering on how to change its frame size, then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app. Just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit. Now to change the frame size, tap onto the video timeline track, just right here. Then here you can find the crop option right here at the bottom. Now select it. Now from here you can simply resize the video or photo. Now simply tap onto its corner and resize it just like this. Adjust the photo frame just like this and tap onto the check mark. And now you can see the frame size has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change the frame size in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.